5 Passive Income Ideas for Beginners. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the 5 passive income ideas that are great for beginners. And if you stick with me all the way till the end of this video, I'll share with you a bonus passive income idea that will be number 6. It's not in the title, so make sure you watch until the end to find out what it is. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So number 1 is to start a blog. I am sure you have seen many videos on starting a blog and why you should start a blog. But why do I recommend it? And why should you consider it as a beginner looking to start your first passive income stream? Well, firstly, it doesn't cost much to start a blog. There are many free options out there where you can build your blog for absolutely no cost, such as WordPress, com, or Blogger. Com. All you need to do is just put in the work in the beginning to learn how to build a website, how to set up a blog, and then you can literally create hundreds of articles over time that will bring in thousands of dollars per month. The second reason why I recommend this is because you don't necessarily need to show your face on camera. A lot of people feel uncomfortable being on camera and being in front of an audience, but with blogging, you don't have to do that. You can literally write behind the scenes, and no one will know who you are. Third reason why I love blogging is because it's very easy to monetize. There are multiple ways to monetize a blog, such as Google AdSense, where you display banner ads across your website and get paid every time someone clicks on them. You can also do affiliate marketing where you promote other people's products and services in exchange for a commission, or you can even sell your own digital products like ebooks or Notion templates or website themes. The fourth reason is because you can build up your email list. When you start a blog and publish articles, you can include opt-in forms in your articles and start building an email list, which you can then use to sell your own products and services. Building an email list is very valuable because you own that email list. It's your asset and you can use it to promote whatever you want. The fifth reason why I recommend blogging is because it allows you to build up your personal brand. If you have aspirations of becoming an influencer or a coach or a consultant, starting a blog is a great way to build up your personal brand and establish yourself as an expert in your field. And the sixth reason, which might be the most important one, is because it's location independent. With blogging, you don't need to be in any particular location. You can literally do it from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Now, I'm not going to go too deep into detail about each of these points because I have covered them in previous videos. Make sure you check out my other videos on how to start a blog. But if you are interested in learning how to start a blog, comment down below, Blogging for Beginners, and I'll send you a link to my complete guide on how to start a blog. The next passive income idea is to create and sell digital products. This can include things like Notion templates, website themes, ebooks, online courses, and so much more. I personally sell Notion templates on Etsy, and it's been a great passive income stream for me ever since I started. What I love about selling digital products is that once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without having to create a new version of it. For example, when I created my first Notion template, I was able to sell hundreds of copies without having to do anything else. All I had to do was just create the product once, and then it sells itself. Another thing I love about selling digital products is that there is a low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest a lot of money to start, and you don't need to hire anyone to help you. You can literally do it all by yourself. To start selling digital products, you can use platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad. If you are interested in learning more about how to create and sell Notion templates, comment down below Notion templates for beginners, and I'll send you a link to my Notion templates for beginners playlist. Number 3 is to create stock footage and sell it on websites like Envato Elements or Shutterstock. Now this requires a bit more skill because you do need to know how to use a camera and some video editing software. But once you learn the skills, you can literally film a few videos and make money for years to come. This is because once you upload your videos to these platforms, they will stay there forever, and you will continue to receive royalties every time someone downloads your videos. Also, you only need to film high-quality videos once, and then you can sell them over and over again. So this is truly a set it and forget it type of passive income stream. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and services and earn a commission on the sales that you drive. For example, if I were to create a blog post about the best laptops for video editing, I could include affiliate links to those laptops in my blog post. Then if someone reads my article and decides to buy a laptop through my link, I'll earn a commission on that sale. You can do this through a list post like I mentioned earlier, or you can do it through YouTube by creating review videos. You can also do affiliate marketing through social media, but it's a little bit trickier to do that successfully, and there's a lot more work involved. One thing I really like about affiliate marketing is that there is a wide range of products and services you can promote. This means that you can promote products and services in a niche that you are knowledgeable about, which makes it easier to create content around. You can also promote products and services that you have used yourself, which makes it easier to create authentic content around them. The second thing I like about affiliate marketing is that you can promote products and services from multiple companies. This means that you are not reliant on one company for your income. If one company decides to stop paying commissions, you can simply move on to promoting other companies' products and services. And number 5 is to rent out a spare bedroom on Airbnb. Now this is not really passive income because you need to clean the room and make sure it's ready for the guests. But it's still relatively easy to do, and it's a great way to make some extra cash. This is perfect for people who live in cities where there is a high demand for short-term rentals. You can use a site like Mashvisor to find out how much your potential nightly rate should be based on the location and size of the room. And now for the bonus tip, which is number 6. It's to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to build an audience and promote your products and services. It's also a great way to document your journey and share your knowledge with others. And just like with a blog, you don't necessarily need to show your face on camera, and you can literally leverage YouTube to promote any products and services you want. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.